a bad day. A lipstick has disappeared, lip gloss doesn't match, and you are too nervous to do perfect makeup. If this is the case, it's time to use makeup stress relievers. Watch the best weird makeup ideas. Stretch out slime lip gloss, play with Orbeez blush, and transform your EOS into a disco ball. Dolly looks unhappy. Has she picked up a blue mood virus? Makeup can't make her happy. She refuses her favorite EOS balms. It's a warning sign. I should act immediately. Let's add a little shine to surrounding flora. She won't be able to resist taking a sparkly EOS disco ball. Paint an EOS container silver. Make a hole on top using the hot nozzle of a hot glue gun. Hot glue an eye pin with a keychain. Cover the glue with silver paint. Attach rhinestones using superglue. Use crystals of different size. Hang the shining disco ball on a neighboring twig. Let Dolly find it herself. Hey look! What's there shimmering in a bush? Dolly finds a surprise gift. Where did it come from? Did fairies leave it here after having a disco party? It's awesome! An EOS-filled disco ball. It's a jackpot! It's managed to lift my friend's spirit at once. Blondie is looking for something to eat. Unfortunately, her mission, find a snack, fails. There's no yummies left in the kitchen. She has to start a vegan diet. As luck would have it, Dolly brings a creamy cake. Oops! She accidentally drops it right before Blondie's eyes. The girl is in despair. Calm down, my friend. It's been just a prank. It's not a cake, but squishy face powder. We'll need a squishy cake. Make a cut across the middle. Be sure not to cut it through. Put in face powder. Cut out a hole in the center. Hot glue the powder in it. Attach the cake top to the lid. Dolly opens the squishy cake. Stop crying, Blondie. Let's put a little powder on your face. Use the squishy to calm down. And you'll find arugula not such a bad idea for lunch. Let's raise the alarm. Call Makeup Search and Rescue. Dolly has lost her favorite lipstick. Bad luck. Where is it? Suddenly, Dolly finds another treasure. A makeup bag stress reliever. And there's her lost lipstick in it. Someone must be covering their tracks. Transfer a stress-relieving pattern onto a white foam rubber sheet. Score it using a modeling tool. Define the scored pattern with a black permanent marker. Color the picture using markers. Double tape the entire pencil case. Attach the foam rubber pattern. Cut off the excess. Blondie returns the lipstick in an original makeup bag. It must distract Dolly. Take bright markers and color the stress-relieving pattern. Apply beautiful makeup to your makeup bag. Blondie is getting bored. She neither drinks her coffee nor listens to what I'm saying. It looks like stress symptoms. I should do something to prevent it. Take a stretchy lip gloss stress reliever. Mix stationery glue with pink acrylic paint. Add half a teaspoon of liquid laundry detergent. Stir until you get a slime consistency. Sprinkle the slime with soda to avoid it sticking to your hands. Put the slime into a clean lip gloss container. Blondie opens the lip gloss. What's that? Has the gloss gone bad? I don't think I can put it on my lips. On the other hand, it can lift my spirits. I'm stretching out the pink lip gloss. It looks like bubble gum. If you blow on it, you can make a bubble. It's a perfect thing to relieve stress. Blondie has dozed off outdoors. Sleeping in the fresh air has a soothing effect. Dolly uses another stress-relieving method. She keeps Orbeez blush in her makeup bag. Soak colored Orbeez balls in water. Let them cure for a few hours. Transfer the swollen balls into an empty blush container. Dolly enjoys touching the smooth and cool Orbeez balls. Their bright colors will keep spirits up and help maintain natural blush on the face. Blondie wakes up suddenly. She's been having a bad dream about going on a date without any makeup. She didn't expect she could sleep so long. It's a disaster. I need to do my makeup in a minute. Blondie tries to take out her beauty products with shaking hands. Well, her lip makeup will never get perfect in this way. She has to calm down first. Take my soothing foundation. Cut off the end of a foundation tube. Clean it inside. Put glitter and Caviar manicure beads in clear slime. Knead it to mix. Put the slime into the foundation tube. Hot glue the cut. Blondie squeezes sparkly slime instead of foundation. It's makeup magic! It's so funny to stretch the slime. Blondie immediately forgets about her problems. Meanwhile, Dolly helps her correct her makeup. She can go out on her dream date all quiet and beautiful. Dolly has to solve a difficult problem: how to choose an appropriate eyeshadow color. It's a real challenge. Meanwhile, Blondie has no problem of the kind. She's got a fidget spinner to make the right choice. We'll need 3 clear little cap containers. Put eyeshadow from a broken makeup palette into each. Compact the eyeshadow using rubbing alcohol soaked wipes. Attach the containers to the fidget spinner. Blondie spins her makeup spinner. The color on top wins. It's easy! Forget about your choosing problems. Let the spinner make a choice. Dolly's got special flexible makeup brushes. You can bend them easily. Relax your hands so that they could apply perfect eyeliner and put on eyeshadow. Prepare similar tops of broken makeup brushes. Cut off the excess of glitter glue sticks. Heat an end to melt. Attach a makeup brush top. The bendy makeup brushes and an eyeshadow spinner will make an excellent makeup set. Enjoy your makeup. Turn it into a funny game. Blondie is out of her favorite lipstick. It makes her feel unhappy. Dolly offers her another one. Let Blondie use it, but it's not really Blondie's color. It's too pink. Dolly shows how to use this lipstick. It's not makeup actually, but a stress reliever. It helps relax. Take an empty lipstick tube. Knead light pink clay. Roll it up to shape a lipstick bullet. Hot glue it into the tube. Take down the lipstick and cut off the excess. Shape the cut with your fingers. Blondie presses the lipstick, squeezing and twisting it. Who would believe it could reduce stress? As for the makeup, Dolly has got a real lipstick. Use it for doing your lip makeup. Someone must be having too much free time. Dolly is hanging around doing nothing. Has she swallowed a couple of batteries? She's got enough energy to light up a whole house. She's taking up juggling, but she's too nervous to catch the fruit. I should urgently keep her busy with a weird EOS before she crushes the kitchen. Cut out a middle grid in a used EOS container. Use a heated knife. Put in a bouncy ball. Dolly doesn't get it at once what to do with the weird EOS. Wow, it's a funny bouncy ball. She immediately starts the game. In the meantime, I can continue cooking. Did you like the ideas? Then write in your comments which makeup stress reliever you are going to use for calming down. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new weird makeup ideas on the Troom Troom channel.